Hi everyone, welcome back to another recipe. Today I am going to show you guys how to make the most delicious egg boil with some noodles. You know how you be craving some good old noodles late night? This recipe is for you. It's so good. Before I show you guys how this recipe is done though, please give this video a thumbs up for me. Let's get it to 1,000 likes. I think you guys can do it, right? I'm not going to do a lot of talking. Let's dive into this recipe. I'm going to begin by boiling my eggs. I have about 6 eggs here. Going to add in this water. I'm going to let it cook for about 10 minutes, then we can remove it from the stove. While the eggs are boiling, I am going to be making my Cajun butter sauce. So I have about 1 stick of unsalted butter here that I'm going to add in my medium-high heat skillet. Now I'm going to be adding my minced garlic and as well as the onion, okay? I'm going to cook the onions until they're nice and translucent. And then I am going to add my seasoning. I have a lot of seasoning here, you guys. I love me a saucy, delicious, spicy seafood sauce. So I have Creole seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, chili powder, parsley, lemon pepper, so it can be a little, sour. I have Old Bay here. I will leave everything down below for you. So I'm going to pour in the seasoning. It's a lot of seasoning, I know. It's going to taste so good, okay? I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of hot sauce, okay? We want this to be nice and spicy. Now to dilute the butter a little bit, I have about 1 cup of chicken broth here, okay? This is what's going to make the sauce nice and saucy, and I think it's a little better for you than adding another stick of butter. So mix that up together and basically the sauce is done, okay? Let it simmer for a little bit more though, okay? I'm going to let it simmer for a little bit more. It's looking amazing, okay? It's garlicky, it's spicy, and I am going to be adding about half a lemon. I love lemon on my seafood boil sauce. I'm going to squeeze in half a lemon juice in there, you guys. The smell right here, the aroma in my kitchen right now is so amazing. And of course, I gotta taste it, okay? If you're cooking, you don't taste your food, what are you doing? You gotta taste as you go. And that's what I'm going to do right now. So good. It has a little kick, okay? You can add some cayenne to this if you like, but it's perfect. It's perfect, okay? So this sauce is done. I'm going to set it aside for now. Time to remove the eggs, you guys. They've been boiling for about 10 minutes now. I'm going to pour some cold water to them, okay? Because you know how it is. Peeling hot boiled egg. I have one that's kind of open a little bit, but that's okay. I am going to drain this water. I'm going to pour some water in here so I can boil the noodle. The noodles will probably take about 5 minutes to cook. I'm going to let that come to a boil. All right, guys, the water's boiling. I am going to place my noodles in there. This should take about 3 minutes to cook, not even, because noodles take no time to cook. So I'm going to cover it. While that is boiling, I'm getting ready to plate my food because the noodles, I don't want them to get super soggy. So let me grab the sauce. All right, guys, the noodles nice and ready. I'm going to take it out quickly so it doesn't overcook. So my mouth is literally watering right now. I'm so hungry for this. Okay guys, it's my favorite part, plating so I can eat. So I'm going to place the noodle right in the middle. I like to cut the eggs. Cut them and just place them around the plate, just like this. Oh, this is a quick snack. Whenever you're craving something, you can just make it, okay? I'm going to pour the sauce. Take a good look at the sauce, you guys. My mouth is literally watering from this. I'm going to pour the sauce all over the noodles. You can add some shrimp, some sausage to this. Now I do have a recipe. I will leave it on the cards for you. And I'm going to add some lemon slices around, you know, just like this. I'm going to add some parsley to garnish, and that is your recipe. This is my favorite part. Okay, let's give it a try. I need a napkin for this. If you're a seafood lover, you must try this egg boil. I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please do not forget to give it a thumbs up for me. If you enjoy it, help your sister out by giving it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe if you're new here. I will see you on the next recipe. Bye, guys.
This is so good.
Wow. This is good. I'm gonna be eating half of this plate by myself.